All right, the weather has turned cold here, so I decided it would be a good idea to make some chili. I have already browned my ground beef, which I've set aside. I did about a half a pound, and I have 3 slices of kind of just the fatty bacon ends here that I chopped up and put in the pan with 2 sliced Nathan's beef franks, and I just kind of wanted to brown that. Now I'm actually going to take that out of the pan, and then I have chopped up some veggies. Right, so I just have 2 mushrooms that I chopped up. That is 1 small green pepper, and I would say about 1/4 of a larger yellow pepper, and about 1/4 of an onion. Let me get those in there. Keep the tomatoes separate for right now. And I'm just going to give these a stir and saute them up until they're translucent, and then I'll put them all together and start my chili. Alright, my veggies are done. At the last minute, I added a teaspoon of the minced garlic, and then I just sauteed that for just about 30 seconds. And so now everything is done here. I'm adding the hamburger, the bacon, and the Nathan's franks into my kettle. I'm going to add the veggies in here. Make sure I get all of those out of there. And I did not drain off the bacon grease, so that is going in with those veggies, which pretty much soaked it all up. And some tomatoes.
Add 1 large peeled diced tomato.
So now I'm going to go ahead and add some seasonings to this.
Add 4 tablespoons chili powder, a teaspoon each garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika, a half teaspoon pink sea salt, and a pinch of cumin and a pinch of oregano.
Cups of beef broth plus 1.5 cups of water. So that is 3 cups total liquid. And I'm also going to add in just a few splashes of Worcestershire. Maybe 1 more. I'm going to add a little splash of white cooking wine. Whoops, that was a little bigger splash than I expected, you guys. Sorry about that. And I'm also going to add just a little bit of red wine vinegar. Okay, that looks good. Vinegar. And then we'll give this a stir, and I'm going to bring this to a boil, and then I'm just going to let it simmer for about a half an hour. And I'm not planning on adding any tomato paste. Alright, so I've actually had the chili simmering for about an hour. I did add a little bit more chili powder because I wanted it a little bit spicier. But you can see how it's cooked down, and I'll show you the consistency. Looks good. So I am just going to go ahead and serve this up. My chili bowl. Is that cute? Marshall's find. Lydia found that at Marshall's for me. Alright. So let's put some of that chili in there. I'm looking forward to eating. Oh, on the side here, you guys, I have the yogi buns and also some Kerrygold butter. So then with chili, you got to have a little dollop of sour cream and some cheddar cheese on top. Okay, so I had this idea to make burger dogs to go with my chili, to have chili burger dogs. So I just have some cheddar cheese here, and I shaped my 5-ounce patty into a rectangle. And I'm gonna put that cheese on there like that. And then I'm just gonna try to roll this. I'm gonna probably have to use the parchment paper to help me along a little bit. And then I'm gonna seal the ends. And I'll probably just roll it one more time with the parchment paper just to make sure that I have that nice kind of log shape. Just like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and take it to the next level. Make sure those ends are sealed. And I'm going to wrap it with some bacon. All right, so let's put some bacon around this thing. Just like so. And then I think just to make it stay on, I will take a toothpick. I don't know if you can see that. And kind of just put it in there like you would put in a quilting pin. Just like that. Make sure my ends of my burgers are sealed. So there's my burger dogs. I'm going to put those on my parchment lined basket here for my air fryer. And I'm going to stick those in the air fryer for about, I'm thinking maybe 15 minutes. Let's do a cheesy bite. Oh goodness, delicious. Can't wait, you guys. Chili bacon dogs.
I'll be sure and list all the recipes in the description box below. And if you're enjoying all of these recipes, please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so that you're notified each time I upload a new recipe. Thanks again for watching, everyone.